Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the workbook. Keep a single header row with exact field names because XML uses those tags. Once done, convert formulas to values so exports are stable, and make sure columns match the XML element structure you want. You should also create a simple example row to test mapping. This early clarity avoids renaming later. It speeds export and prevents mismatched tags. Make sure you save a copy so you can iterate without losing data. Next, you add an XML map. Enable Developer, open the source pane, and import an XSD if available. This defines elements and types so Excel maps correctly. If no XSD exists, create a small one or manually map headers to elements by dragging column headers into the schema tree. Once mapped, validate rows to ensure required elements are present. Excel will warn about missing nodes. Then use export to generate the XML file. This method embeds your structure and preserves element order. Finally, verify the output and address hiccups. Open the XML in a text editor to confirm encoding UTF-8 and that tags match expectations. If elements are missing or show empty values, check for blank required fields or incorrect header-element mapping and correct them in Excel, then re-export. If Excel refuses to export, ensure the XML map covers each row as a repeating element. As a troubleshooting tip, always keep an unchanged backup of the Excel file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.